Welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. We are on another adventure. Hi, Barrett.
Hi.
You want to tell everybody what we're doing today?
Got a leaky tire. Need to go get one.
So you got a hole in your tire, huh?
Yeah. It's on the side. On the sidewall.
How did a hole get in the sidewall of your tire?
I don't know. You hitting curbs?
Yeah, right. You're funny. So hopefully we'll be able to find a tire. Barrett doesn't have a spare either, so I'm going to try. Hopefully we can get a spare and a rim. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we'll get it pretty reasonable as well. But we got a couple places to go look and check around too. Barrett's driving like crazy man again.
Going 50.
Huh?
Buddy going 50.
Well, it feels faster over here, I guess.
It's like you that drive your car the other day going 70.
Hey, don't be telling my secrets.
In a 15-mile-an-hour zone.
I use wild edibles saying they're lies, all lies.
They're at a local tire guy.
We're going to the guy that we usually go through, so I'm hoping.
He's pretty reasonable.
Yeah, he's normally pretty reasonable, so.
It's
been a while. It's been a while since we bought a tire, hasn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it's a used tire, but he's pretty reasonable about it.
Yeah.
Actually, they're in pretty good shape. You know, some people are, they drive a car 2 miles and they gotta replace the tires,
Yeah.
especially older folks.
So cross your fingers. This is the only place we have to go. There's the big basket, the huge attraction in Newark, Ohio, you guys. This was all over in papers and stuff. This was owned by Longenberger Basket. Alright, we have arrived. So I'm going to hop off here, see what we can find, and I'll get back to you and let you know. Alright, we just left the tire shop. We were able to get one tire. It wasn't the greatest. The tread on it isn't really that great, but he only charged us $35 for it. So now we're headed over to another place to look for the other tire and rim. So we'll see what happens here. But here's another close-up of the basket, Longenberger Basket. The biggest basket in the world.
You said Brownsville Road?
Yep, that's what GPS said. We've never been to this LKQ Auto Shop is what it's called. We've never been there before.
And of course, my junk phone and the
GPS isn't working on his phone, so hopefully we can find it. This is Staten Bridge Road.
I see that. Oh, there's wild goose tooth, Chief.
wild goose chase. I think you should probably turn around. Okay. That's what I thought. Brownsville Road is where your uncle lives. No. GPS says no signal. We're going home. You gotta find LQK or what, LKQ or whatever it's called. Alright, I guess we are on a goose chase, and when we find out where we are, we'll let you know.
Yeah, Brownsville Road down 16.
Yeah. Alright, we finally found LKQ. It's a massive junkyard. I didn't even know it was here. Barrett just went inside, as you see. Hopefully he'll find a rim and a tire. Or at least a rim would be nice. I think it's like, yeah, it's 4 o'clock. I can go home, hopefully, if he finds one, and start dinner. If it is a junkyard, like he said, well, it looks like a junkyard. So, if they do have a rim, he might have to take it off himself. And we didn't bring any, I don't know if he has any equipment to get a rim off right now. He should have a jack and stuff in the truck, but I don't know. I see him walking around in that little window. He's a pacing back and forth. This is what I say, you never know what will happen on a homestead. It's always something. Oh, he's coming out. Can't tell if he's happy or not. See what he says.
Nope.
Seriously?
He's talking about an ATW, DW3, and all kinds of shit. He said, is that aluminum or is it steel rims? And I said, it's aluminum. He said, well, I don't have no aluminum.
That's
I
crazy.
said, is there a difference between putting aluminum or a steel rim on? He, I don't know. That's when he started saying this ATW and WD-40s and all of that crap. So I don't know.
Alright, so we going home or are we still on the search? Alright.
I'll call Christmas tomorrow.
Alright.
Or, as a matter of fact, we'll call the guy that worked on our vehicles.
Oh, yeah.
He's supposed to look up Fix me a spare up. How about that?
Huh?
Wayne?
Yeah.
White, whoever his name was. I could run down there and ask him.
I'll just call him. I'm ready to go home and cook some dinner, babe.
Yeah. You hadn't fed me all day.
Oh, whatever. You're such a fibber. One of these days you're gonna get struck by lightning, you know.
It's an LKQ. Hey, there's a tractor for sale. See a price on it?
You always find
It's
tractors for sale.
international too.
We're looking for tires, not tractors. Are you serious? You're gonna pull in there.
Hey, why not? Let's see what the price is. Zoom in on that.
You can't even turn in there.
Zoom in on that.
I don't know how to zoom on this one. I don't know how to. Oh, maybe this button. It is a zoom button. Alright, I'm zoomed in, but it's blurry as heck.
That'd be a nice size tractor.
No, I can't see that far. They have it in little tiny handwriting. Alright, take me home where I belong. Oh, we're gonna go by the basket again. Huh? Oh, I thought you were taking Dayton home.
No, we're taking our shortcut.
Okay. So I'm thankful we at least got one tire, so the truck will be alright. I don't know how the tire got a hole in it, but it was hissing all kinds of noise.
Dry rotted.
Yeah, Barrett said it was dry rotted, so at least that tire's taken care of. We just now need to get a spare, and hopefully Barrett, the other tire that we were looking for was for the trailer. So Barrett doesn't have a spare for the truck or the trailer. And when we pulled the trailer up today to check it out for getting the calf and stuff, the trailer had a flat on it. He aired it up, so I'm crossing my fingers it'll be still having air in it tomorrow when we wake up. But it would be nice to have a spare for the trailer and the truck.
$810 for 4 brand new tires for this truck.
Yeah, that's not
mounted,
too bad.
Balanced and all that stuff. Guess I'm about to be on the street corner.
Yep. Yeah, let's go get you a sugar mama.
Might be get $1 in a year's time. I might have 810.
That's a horrible turnover.
Problem is, if I want a refund.
Why are you so hard on yourself?
That or get the crazy ones and don't want to get rid of them.
That's more likely to happen. We're in farmland, yay! That means we're close to home. Nice size farm. a small farmer back here, and sometimes we get grain from him.
He's got beet corn sign out.
Huh?
He's got beet corn sign out.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
Chickens.
Chickens!
They're eating pumpkins.
Yeah.
Next year we're going to put out a bowl of pumpkins.
Oh, I did put out pumpkins. They all shriveled up and
We
died.
didn't put out the pumpkins too late.
Look at this pond. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and head off. I want to thank you so much for following me here at Keto Homestead with Jess on our crazy adventures. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe.